Hi, welcome to my gig. If you want to build a professional YouTube channel that grows fast and attracts the right audience, you're in the right place. Here's what I will do for you step by step. Create and set up your YouTube channel with the perfect name and category. Design a custom logo and banner that matches your brand. Add a professional profile setup and branding elements. Write an SEO-optimized channel description and about section. Set up keywords and tags for better ranking. Create and add a custom channel layout, playlists, and sections. Set up channel settings, permissions, and branding watermark. Add social media and website links. Create a professional intro and outro setup if needed. Optimize the channel for mobile, desktop, and TV view. Complete channel SEO for better reach and subscribers. My goal is simple: to make your YouTube channel look professional, trusted, and ready to grow, so you can attract viewers and turn them into loyal subscribers. Order now, and let's build your powerful YouTube channel today.